senior, contemporary, and junior colleagues present here. I truly appreciate seeing you all because I can say thank you to all of you at this time of party. I would like to take a moment this evening to share with you all my sincere gratitude for my memorable and eventful time spent with you, working in OSCB, GRIDCO, WESCO, and now PPWDL. I have been with you all for 38 years in power sector for our state since 1984. When I joined Orissa State Electricity Board as an assistant engineer at OSCB headquarters Bhubaneswar. The compactness of our bonding flows continually in similar rhythm and music as a team and fraternity of PPWDL, and I look forward that it will go still stronger in future. Friends, it is heartening to see that during last 1 year we have all managed to get along and grow as a unit, invoking and infusing the great organizational tradition and work culture of Tata Power, ushering into the new era of dynamism. We have now very meaningfully divided up our areas of expertise and yet coming together when it is required towards attaining the ultimate goal of TPWDL, that is consumer satisfaction. I am so thankful of having been given the opportunity to serve power sector when I was only 22 years old. Friends, till my retirement, I have travelled a long way, covering many parts of our state in numerous capacities, and I am fortunate to close the curtain of my public service stage serving under most forward-thinking and globally respected company Tata Power. The time, shared, friendship, forged, and the successes which I have enjoyed have been an extraordinary part of my life. I want to thank from the bottom of my heart you, CEO sir, for granting me the opportunity and the environment to work for the organization satisfactorily with dignity. I would like to take this opportunity to thank every member of TPWDL family for serving the organization hand in hand as we are entering into the new turn in electricity service in Western Orissa after taking over by Tata Power. Growing consumers' acceptability to our service is the testament to countless hours of our hard work, collaboration, and consumer-centric culture. We should all be incredibly proud of what we have achieved and praised for similar devotion and dedication for our organization for all times to come. My dear colleagues, now a new beginning, a new journey for me. The time everyone calls retirement. Time that is for all those hobbies and activities I don't have time to due to the preoccupation of service careers. It will be surely a difficult transition for me as my career has been a passion for me all these years. But I have to appreciate this new lease of life which is now available to me. My wife and children are extremely happy and eager to introduce me to all sorts of new leisure activities. They have always been a source of inspiration to me. They have stood beside me against all odds. I have always tried to mentor, help and guide my colleagues in my team during the execution of assignments throughout my service career in various capacities. In turn, I have also learned from them so many things to further galvanize and enlighten my own profession. Sometimes it has just been that your energy of friendship and fellowship has renewed my own interest and reignited my own passion. At various occasions, you have also shown me different values to adopt for different situations or given me a different perspective than that has been personally helpful to me to grow in the system. You just have not realized what you offered me, but I have not forgotten those benefactions I received from my colleagues during my long service period. My dear friends, I would like to say you a goodbye and thank for everything, especially the love and care you have given to me. I am sorry to you all for my unknown mistakes and wish you all for your bright career and peaceful life. Thanks for every wonderful presence at my farewell. Everything has a beginning and an end. With superannuation from service, one eventful chapter of my life comes to a close. But I strongly believe, चलते रहो, keep moving, keep moving. नहीं रुकना, नहीं थकना, सतत चलना, सतत चलना. So let us keep walking, and while walking, let us remember to leave nothing but footprints behind. Friends, parting or separation is always sad, but we have to bear it and march ahead before conclude. I wish all of you every success for the future in both organizational and social arena. Stay safe and fit and maintain the passion to adopt the best knowledge and virtues. Be adapted in your profession and adopt with all situations in life to win. Also wishing TPWDL family a happy and prosperous New Year 2022 in advance. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you again. Orahi, 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 orahi. सूरज रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है. जब कभी ऐसा कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में बेगाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं इन इंतजार के. ओ राही, 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 ओ राही. साथी न कारवां है, ये तेरा इम्तिहान है. साथी न कारवां है, ये तेरा इम्तिहान है. यूं ही चला चल के सहारे, करती है मंजिल तुझको इशारे. देख कहीं कोई रोक न ले तुझको पुकार के. ओ राही, 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 ओ राही.
Guys, that's all for the day, and it was really very nice arranged by HR ma'am, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. And Tuesday was wonderful day for my dad. And इसके बाद हम लोग का होने वाला है पार्टी शार्टी. So yes, I think what to tell more. So it was really very nice office, and where पापा ने dedicate किया 38 years. And yes, इसके बाद जो अभी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे वो हम लोग करेंगे. तो here we go everyone. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ऑलरेडी मैंने फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है फेयरवेल वाला पापा का वो ऑलरेडी सेंड कर दिया है, एंड आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा भी लगा होगा. एंड अभी ये पार्ट 2 है, फेयरवेल पार्ट 2, जिसमें कि हम लोग घर पे कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं वो दिखाने जा रहे हैं. एक्चुअली वी डोंट हैव लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. अभी बहुत सारा टाइम स्पेंड करना है पापा मम्मा के साथ, क्योंकि मैं कल जा रही हूँ. सो यस, अभी हम लोग चलिए देखते हैं कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो सारे अरेंजमेंट ऑलरेडी मैंने और मेरी सिस्टर ने कर दिया है एक रेस्टोरेंट में, एंड वहाँ पे हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं. पहले बुआ के घर जाने वाले हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट we'll celebrate a lot. So let's go. Already reached the restaurant, and here we go. ऑलरेडी सब आ चुके हैं, आप जैसे देख पा रहे होंगे। हियर इज़ माई डैड, माई दादी, माई छोटी वाली बुआ, माई फूफा जी, हियर इज़ माई सिस्टर एंड हियर इज़ माई मम्मा। Done, done. अरे okay. Dad, you should continue. କିଛି ବି ନାହିଁ, just clap ତ କରିପାରିବ ସମସ୍ତେ।
बाबा एपटे देखो।
यस पापा यार ठीक है देख।
लो बाबा।
सो गाइज वी हैव ऑल डन एंड हम लोग का डिनर कंप्लीट हो चुका है। एंड अभी हम लोग चलते हैं घर के और, क्योंकि और पेशेंट्स नहीं है। आज होल डे हम लोग ने सेलिब्रेट किया। होप करती हूँ पापा को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, और बात करने की हालत में भी नहीं हूँ, ठंड भी बहुत है। सो लेट्स गो, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, टाटा।